Hello, this is Andres Quintero from 923 Gillespie Lane. So the problem that we are having is with our garbage disposal. Basically, when we turn it on here, it starts to sound like that, but nothing moves in there. And then it eventually just stops doing that, I assume because, yep, as you can see, something happens in there. Our main concern is that now, well, we are not being able to do a lot of dishwashing. Basically, right now what we did was to drain it up to move to another place. So yeah, that has been quite an issue. Thanks.